Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I'm making this video after a really long time, but today I'm going to do a review. Actually, I ordered a nail art kit. Basically, it has some tools and accessories with it, and I'm going to review that today. So let's go! I'll provide you with the link of this product in my description box, and yeah, you can go and check it out. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. So this is the package. It's a decent package, and I'm going to open it now. Wow! These are some tapes. I don't know if you can see it or not. Actually, they've sent a lot of tapes, and oh my god! There are some tip guides as well, and so these are some tools to create dots and details on your nail art. And here are some brushes. They look nice. Yeah. There are some set of glitters. Oh wow! Okay, they're pretty. Wait, let me just open it. I use glitters while doing my makeup a lot, and I saw these brushes as well. I wanted to order, thin brushes, very thin brushes to do my detailing in my makeup. So I just saw this and I was like, yeah, let's try this. Yeah, wait. Look at this. Let me just show you. It's such a cute. These are literally cute small bottles. Oh my god. I think it's very good. Like for 406 rupees, I think it's very nice. They're giving me brushes and these glitters and the quality of tools especially. It's quite nice. I think it's pretty good according to its price. I didn't actually order it for making nail art, and I'm going to use all these stuff for my makeup. And I'll make a look out of this so that you can also know if you want to buy it for makeup. So guys, I did my base as usual. So I turned off my fan, and now I'm going to use this long thin brush. I like it. I know the liner is not pigmented enough. Actually, I'm using my eyeshadows. I think the flow of this brush is good. Let me do it once again. Wow! I like it. I'm going to use these cute little tools over here. Now I'm going to create little small flowers. Let's go. Here's 2, 3. I'll do the same thing on my left eye as well. I like the flow of this brush. It's really easy to create, smooth liner. Yes. I think it's pretty cute. I hope I don't mess it up. I love the flow of this brush a lot. I'm going to try out glitters. Yay! So I'm going to put some glue. I think I'm going to put them here. Now let's take one of my hearts. Oh my god, it looks so cute! Oh my god, look at these! I love this. Sorry guys if you are also hearing the voice from my background. I'm going to do the same thing with my other eye as well. I actually like it. especially these glitters, I would say, like 10 on 10. And I think for nail art also it will be really good, and I would definitely suggest you all to buy this. So I turned off my ring light and this is how I look. So guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll provide my handle here, and yeah, just stay tuned. Bye. So guys,